एशियन कपाक क्वॉलिफाय जाले खरे, पण भारत म्यानमाराक कमी लेखपाची चूक करचो ना. ही मॅच बऱ्यापैकी जातली अशें भारताचो कोच स्टीफन कॉन्स्टंटायन म्हणटा. AFC एशियन क्वॉलिफायर मंगळारा रातीं 8 वरांचेर फातोड्डे ग्राउंडार जातली. ही मॅच म्यानमाराक सामकी म्हत्वाची.
Myanmar's a very good side. They're very well coached, very disciplined. They play a similar formation to us. The coach has been with them for the last 8 years. He is somebody I respect, and they gave us a torrid time in Myanmar. It's a game that they need to get some points from, so I don't think they're going to be a walkover. I don't think any of our games are going to be walkovers until we've actually done it. So I expect a very difficult game tomorrow. We have started already to prepare for the Asian Cup. That starts with the game tomorrow. So players are playing for their positions, they're playing for their futures. It doesn't end here, it just starts a different cycle.
We had a chat and we thought we were going to take one game at a time. He never spoke about when we were going to qualify and which game we were going to qualify. The mantra was very clear from him to the whole team that we're going to take one game at a time. If you ask me, did I think then we're going to win 4 games back to back? I would be honest, no. We worked really hard, especially the first 2 games. To win those 2 games gave us a very good platform, a very good setup for where we are today. And as a team, every one of us, right from our head coach to the ball boy, everyone has worked really hard. But we didn't think we were going to qualify in just 4 games because it's a very tough group. Tomorrow you're going to see how tough Myanmar is.
Unfortunately, Isabella team lost. It was the wrong result. It is football. So for us, we come here not to lose the game. That is important. Even if it is not that crucial match. The crucial match comes against Kyrgyzstan. There we have to win. Here we come to play good football, to show that we are a good team, and if possible to take some points. It's good to have the points. India is qualified already.
गोंयांत जाल्ले प्रॅक्टीस मॅचींनी केल्ले कामगिरीचेर FC गोवाचो कोच सर्जिओ लोबेराक खोशी दिसता. पूण ISLांत खडेगांठ पंगडा आड बरी कामगिरी जावंक जाय म्हूण तो प्लेयरां कडल्यान आनीकय बऱ्या परफॉर्मन्साची अपेक्षा दवरून आसा. आयतारा चेन्नई सिटी FC गोवान 4 गोलांनी मारले. उपरांत कोच लोबेरान प्रुडंटा कडेन एक्सक्लुझिव्ह चर्चा केली.
Lo importante es la semana que viene. Tenemos muchas ganas de empezar ya la liga, de empezar la competición. Estos solo son partidos para preparar al equipo de la mejor manera posible. No hemos tenido todos los jugadores disponibles, pero bueno, yo estoy contento con las sensaciones que está dando el equipo. Creo que la semana que viene en nuestro primer partido de liga es muy importante de cara a nuestros aficionados, el poder conseguir una victoria contra un rival difícil y en un campo difícil y vuelvo a repetir, ¿no? Contento de la pretemporada, pero con ganas de empezar ya la competición.
I'm very happy with what has happened so far, but what we're looking forward to is the week that's coming by. We're very eager to get the league started. The past 3 weeks and so, and the friendlies that we played was all in preparation for the league. We're going to go up against a team that is a very difficult opposition in a difficult ground as well. So we want to make sure that we give our best performance forward. We haven't had all the players that we would like available, but I'm very happy with the way the team has performed so far and how the pre-season went. Can't wait to get the league started.
Bueno, nos queda mucho por mejorar, ¿no? Aún estamos haciendo un buen fútbol, pero aún hay aspectos que mejorar. Sí es verdad que hemos hecho muchas pruebas, pero ahora es el momento de hacer las pruebas, ¿no? Yo creo que siempre en pretemporada es cuando tienes que hacer diferentes pruebas, diferentes sistemas, en el sentido de sistemas, no de idea, estilo, filosofía, ¿no? Pruebas con diferentes jugadores, pero bueno, ahora empieza la verdad, que es la semana que viene y con todas estas pruebas que hemos hecho es suficiente para sacar las conclusiones de lo que tenemos que hacer la semana que viene.
Well, we still have a lot of time to develop and improve our performance. But this was the time when this is the time to sort of be testing the waters and getting different players, trying different combinations and formations. But the real work will start next week when it's the actual test. So that's what we're looking forward to.
Hablar de mí, ¿no? Me gusta más que los demás hablen de mí, ¿no? Yo creo que poco a poco, igual que al equipo, nos vamos a ir conociendo y yo creo que en un tiempo usted va a ser el que pueda dar explicar cómo soy yo, ¿no? Y, para mí es difícil explicar cómo soy yo, pero bueno, a ver, soy una persona que estoy muy ilusionado en este proyecto, que desde el primer día que llegué el presidente me transmitió muy buenas sensaciones. Creo que es un presidente joven con mucha ambición y que pensamos de la misma manera. El equipo directivo del club también, y yo creo que al final somos todos un poco iguales, que necesitamos esa ilusión y esos éxitos para nuestro futuro, porque somos jóvenes y queremos, pues evidentemente, estar muchos años en este mundo del fútbol, y todos sabemos que si ganamos estaremos mejor.
I'm not someone who prefers to talk about myself. I'd rather let the others do the talking. I let my work do most of my talking for me. But I like to make sure that the team is well organized and everything. I'm very happy as a person myself. I'm very happy and very excited about this project. When I came here in the very first moment, I met the president of the club. He's a young president, and both of us have very similar ideas about what we want. Our ambitions are very similar, so that is something that we wanted to further develop. And yeah, we're very excited about the project in general.
गोवा पुलिसान गोंय व्हॉलीबॉल संघटनेक घेवन पहिली राज्य पावड्यावयली बीच व्हॉलीबॉल सर्त मिरामार बीचार दवरल्या. सर्त सोमारा सुरू जाली. दादल्यांच्या गटांत 32 टिमींनी वांटो घेतला. चलयांच्या गटांत 11 टिमी वांटेकार जाल्यात. सर्त बुधवार मेरेन चलतली.
I declare the first All Goa State Beach Volleyball Police Cup 2017 open.
Rudresh and Siddesh
Moves on 8-40.
Ishan and Tadev on court number 1.
First set won by Sanjay and Malik.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सएप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.